It's New Food Friday.
What in the world are we gonna try this week?
Is it gonna be good? Is it gonna be bad? We're gonna have to taste it to find out.
Alright, we've tried jackfruit before. Now we have dried jackfruit bites. Who thinks they're gonna be good?
Me.
Who thinks they're gonna be bad? Who wants to taste it to find out?
Me. This person. This person.
They look pretty good, just like dried fruit.
Okay.
They smell fruity.
Those are really good.
Tastes like dried apples.
These are really good.
Those are like
Before I think we had like
they
dehydrated ones that are still kind of
they're like apple
mushy.
fruit.
The
same stuff. Apple chips.
They're sweet. They kind of just like, they're super sweet. They kind of have the texture of crackers.
I don't want this.
They don't.
Do you like the dried apple chips, Em?
Yes,
So does it taste different than the apple chips?
it does.
Okay. Do you want me to have them?
Not that much. It's basically like eating a slightly flavored, no flavored chip.
I'll gladly eat a whole bag. Mommy, here.
How do they taste, Colin?
It's like dried apples in between. No. Pineapple and something else.
What's the flavor like, James?
It's over there.
Sweet. Kind of like
No, don't grab it.
I'd say that that's even better than the
Why
jackfruit
do you
that we
have
tried
to do
before, the
that?
dehydrated stuff that was still kind of
Stop
squishy, because
it.
that, after you ate it too much, it got gross. I prefer this.
Stop it. Punching the table.
So what's the flavor like, James?
it's sweet like candy. At first, it's like, I wonder what this is gonna taste like. You can hardly taste anything. The aftertaste, as soon as you swallow it, boom, it tastes sweet.
What do you think it tastes like, Emmett?
Good.
You like
Why don't
it?
you eat it?
I did.
Eat the rest.
No. Do you like it?
Do you want more, Emmett?
No.
I would eat more.
I would eat.
I would eat more.
Those are probably one of the best New Food Fridays I've ever had.
So would you give it a thumbs up or a thumbs down?
Up.
Up.
Wrong thing, Em. Thumbs. That's your pointers. You need thumbs. That's better.
So you'll give it a thumbs up, but you don't want to eat it?
I think he just wanted to try it.
So would you rather eat this or dried apples?
This.
Dried apples.
Because this is interesting. I like
Dried
interesting
apples.
food that's good.
Dried apples by far.
But you're still giving it a thumbs up?
Yeah, they're good. They're not
You said they were kind of like chips. Would you rather have this or chips?
chips.
This. Chips.
Chips.
I'd rather have this. I'd say that they're really good.
So if you were at the store looking for a snack, would you buy these again?
Mm-hmm.
Probably not. I would buy chips or pretzels or something.
I would buy those if they had them.
Because I would think Buah JackFruit Bites. I would be like, I don't know what those are, so I'm not gonna get them.
But now you know what they are.
I would think, pretzels are still pretty better.
Bye. 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 Bye.
Bye.
Bye.
Bye.
Bye.
Bye. Bye.
Bye.
Bye.
Boy.
Okay, we get the point. Bye.
Okay, bye.
Bye. Bye. Bye. Bye. Bye. Bye. Bye. Bye. Bye.
I think that's enough.
Okay, yeah.
Hurry up and turn the camera off.
Yes. Stop it.
What do you want the fire to muffle him? Bye.
Come on, guys.
Bye.